This is the 2023 Acura MDX. This is the Type S that we're going to be using in our video today, but it doesn't matter what the trim level is. You're going to find that it has 18.1 up to 95 cubic feet of cargo capacity. Now, what that actually means is that you could fit 18.1 to 95 basketballs back here in this area, because a basketball is the size of a cubic foot, or the cubic foot is the size of a basketball. But what can you expect to find back here in inches when it comes to cargo capacity? That's what I'm going to tell you about. And we'll start here with the width, which is going to be 43 inches wide. The height from the floor up here to this area is going to be 29 inches. And the length from where the door closes to the back seats, the third row, is going to be 21 inches. And when you lay flat the rear seat, you're going to increase that space from 21 inches to 41 inches, but we're not finished there yet. If you're wondering about height from the floor up to the roof, we're looking at 36 inches of total height in that area. And last but not least, when we fold down the middle row seats and maximize cargo capacity, you're looking at a plentiful 71 inches. And one thing to consider is that you can move the front seats back and forth, so there actually can be a little additional space up there if needed. And that is what you can expect to find in cargo capacity in the form of inches instead of cubic feet. You think that's a little easier to understand? Let me know what you think down in the comments section. But that's what you can expect as far as the overall measurements go in the 2023 Acura MDX. If there's a particular vehicle you would like for me to show the interior cargo capacity on in inches, let me know down in the comments section and I'll make that happen. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.